This Hugener Starlink Mini car mount is purpose-built for the Starlink Mini, so the dish sits securely without blocking satellite reception on vehicles or other smooth metal and glass surfaces. The rigid clear housing wraps the antenna in a weather-sealed shell that keeps out rain, snow, dust, and flying debris during long drives or extended camping stays. 4 heavy-duty suction bases with locking levers and grippy silicone provide a very firm hold that resists vibration and sliding even on rough back roads or in windy conditions. A tough polycarbonate shield filters harsh sunlight to cut ultraviolet exposure, helping to reduce cracking, discoloration, and general wear on the Starlink Mini over time. Installation is straightforward with a press-to-lock mechanism and a quick-release button, so you can mount or remove the setup quickly without drilling into your vehicle or camper. Overall, this mount offers a practical blend of strong mechanical stability, environmental protection, and ease of use that makes mobile Starlink Mini setups feel much more dependable.